5 habits you must adopt every day to become a billionaire. Elon Musk. Elon Musk is known for his extreme work ethic, innovative mindset, and ability to push boundaries. While there's no single formula to become a billionaire, here are 5 habits Musk follows that can help pave the way to massive success. 1. Work like hell rocket. Elon Musk is known for his extreme work ethic, often working 80 to 100 hours per week across his multiple companies: Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. He believes that working harder than everyone else gives you a competitive advantage. Light bulb Musk's logic. If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you're putting in 80 or 100 hours, then you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. How to apply this habit? White heavy checkmark: increase productivity, cut out distractions, schedule your time efficiently, and focus on high-impact tasks. White heavy checkmark: eliminate wasteful activities, avoid unnecessary meetings, social media distractions, and low-priority work. White heavy checkmark: develop a relentless work ethic. Push beyond comfort zones, especially when working on ambitious projects. White heavy checkmark: work with passion. Musk believes if you love what you do, working long hours won't feel like a chore. Police car light warning: balance is key. While working hard is crucial, burnout is real. Musk himself has admitted that extreme work hours have taken a toll on his health and relationships. The goal should be smart hard work. Maximize output without self-destruction. 2. Read and learn relentlessly books. Elon Musk is often described as a learning machine. He didn't just rely on formal education. He taught himself rocket science, AI, and business strategy through books, mentors, and real-world experience. Light bulb Musk's mindset. I was raised by books, and then my parents. How Musk uses learning to his advantage. White heavy checkmark: reading 2+ hours a day. Musk reads books across multiple disciplines, from physics and engineering to philosophy and business. White heavy checkmark: learning from experts. He surrounds himself with brilliant minds and constantly seeks feedback. White heavy checkmark: applying first principles thinking. He doesn't just memorize information. He breaks down concepts to their fundamentals and rebuilds new solutions. White heavy checkmark: jumping into new fields. When he wanted to build rockets, he read aerospace textbooks instead of relying on conventional industry thinking. Books Musk recommends: Open Book Structures, or Why Things Don't Fall Down. J. Gordon, Engineering. Open Book Superintelligence, Nick Bostrom, AI and Future. Open Book Benjamin Franklin, An American Life, Walter Isaacson, Biography. Open Book The Lord of the Rings, J.R.R. Tolkien, Fiction and Inspiration. Rocket Lesson: the fastest way to think like a billionaire is to learn like one. Read broadly, seek knowledge relentlessly, and apply what you learn. 3. Focus on first principles thinking. Microscope. Elon Musk doesn't rely on assumptions or conventional wisdom. Instead, he uses first principles thinking, a problem-solving approach where you break down complex issues into their most basic truths and build solutions from the ground up. Light bulb Musk's definition. First principles is kind of a physics way of looking at the world. You boil things down to the most fundamental truths, and then reason up from there. How Musk used first principles thinking. Rocket: making space travel cheaper. Conventional thinking. Rockets are expensive. First principles approach. What are rockets actually made of? Musk discovered that the raw materials, aluminum, carbon fiber, etc., were much cheaper than expected. So, instead of buying rockets, he built SpaceX from scratch, reducing costs by 90%. Battery: revolutionizing electric cars. Conventional thinking. EV batteries are too expensive. First principles approach. What elements make up a battery? Can we source them differently? Tesla redesigned battery production, drastically reducing costs and making EVs mainstream. How you can apply first principles thinking. White heavy checkmark: question assumptions. Instead of accepting things as they are, ask, is this really true? White heavy checkmark: break problems down. Identify the fundamental components of a challenge. White heavy checkmark: rebuild from the ground up. Use logic and creativity to construct new solutions. Rocket example exercise. Imagine you want to start a business. Instead of thinking, I need a lot of money to begin, break it down. What is the actual cost of the materials? Can I eliminate middlemen? Can I create a new, more efficient model? Mastering first principles thinking helps you solve problems like a billionaire. Would you try using this approach in your own life? Fire light bulb. 4. Take risks and be fearless roller coaster. Elon Musk is not afraid to take massive risks, even if failure seems likely. He believes that taking bold chances, especially when you're young, gives you the best shot at extraordinary success. Light bulb Musk's mindset. Now is the time to take risks. As you get older, your obligations increase. So I would encourage you to take risks now, to do something bold. How Musk took risks and won big. Fire betting everything on SpaceX and Tesla. After selling PayPal, Musk had $180 million. Instead of playing it safe, he invested almost all of it into Tesla and SpaceX. He nearly went bankrupt when both companies struggled, but he refused to quit. Today, Tesla is worth over $800 billion, and SpaceX dominates the space industry. Rocket entering industries others feared. Most people avoid industries like aerospace, energy, and AI because they are capital-intensive and highly competitive. Musk disrupted all of them, proving that risk-takers can change the world. How you can apply this habit. White heavy checkmark. Take calculated risks, don't be reckless, but don't let fear hold you back. Weigh the potential upside versus downside. White heavy checkmark. Embrace failure as a learning tool. Musk sees failures as steps toward success. Each rocket explosion taught SpaceX how to improve. White heavy checkmark. Go all in on big ideas. If you truly believe in something, commit fully and don't let fear of failure stop you. Rocket. Ask yourself, what's one big risk you've been avoiding? Is it time to take the leap? 5. Prioritize deep work and avoid distractions. Direct hit. Elon Musk is obsessed with efficiency and deep focus. He maximizes productivity by eliminating distractions and concentrating only on high-impact tasks. Light bulb Musk's mindset. Focus on signal over noise. Don't waste time on things that don't actually make a difference. How Musk stays hyper-productive. White heavy checkmark. Time blocking method. Hourglass. Not done. Musk breaks his day into 5-minute slots to ensure he works only on essential tasks. This prevents wasted time and forces intense focus on priorities. White heavy checkmark. Eliminating useless meetings and emails. Envelope with arrow. He avoids long meetings and unnecessary emails. He believes most meetings should be short, focused, and only involve key people. White heavy checkmark. Working in a flow state. Rocket. He immerses himself in deep work, undistracted, high-quality focus for hours. He often works late nights and weekends when there are fewer interruptions. How you can apply this habit. Fire. Use time blocking. Schedule every hour of your day for deep, focused work. Fire. Cut out distractions. Turn off social media, silence notifications, and avoid pointless meetings. Fire. Prioritize high-impact tasks. Focus on the most important work that moves you forward. Rocket. Ask yourself, what's one distraction you can eliminate today to improve focus? Fire. Final thoughts. Rocket. Elon Musk's success isn't just luck. It's built on disciplined habits, relentless effort, and fearless decision-making. If you want to achieve extraordinary success, adopting these 5 habits can help you think and act like a billionaire. Keycap 1. Work like hell. Put in extreme effort and outwork the competition. Keycap 2. Read and learn relentlessly. Constantly expand your knowledge and skills. Keycap 3. Focus on first principles thinking, break down problems, and find innovative solutions. Keycap 4. Take risks and be fearless. Step outside your comfort zone and commit fully to your vision. Keycap 5. Prioritize deep work and avoid distractions. Focus on what truly matters and eliminate time wasters. Light bulb. The key takeaway. Success isn't about following trends. It's about thinking differently, taking action, and staying committed to your goals. You may not become a billionaire overnight, but these habits will set you up for long-term success in any field. Rocket. Which of these habits will you start applying today? Let me know. Fire light bulb.